Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nabi. Today I'm going to feature a very special, and authentic and traditional dish of the Khasis of Meghalaya. It is called the Jadaw. Jadaw translates as Ja translates as rice and Daw translates as meat, so rice meat or meat rice. And it is a very special dish, and normally they cook this during special occasions. Since I was told that it requires a lot of skill to make the jadaw and also requires a lot of love to get the jadaw right, and I am a little bit tense and I don't want to take the risk, so I'm passing on the responsibility to my sister-in-law, who is an amazing cook, and she is a Khasi from Bhoi, and we will watch her prepare the jadaw, and I'm going to be recording the whole session, and we will learn how to cook the jadaw.
To make jadaw, one of the main ingredients is the blood. We are making use of the blood of the chicken that we butchered this morning. The rice that we are using here is a local variety of rice. It is very creamy and absolutely delicious. Wash the rice and mix it well with the blood so that there are no lumps in it. Ingredients required to make jadaw are organ meat and innards, onions, turmeric, and the two most important ingredients are ginger and pepper, which gives it its distinct flavor. Heat some oil and add the onions, add a hint of turmeric and fry till golden brown. Then we can add the finely chopped innards and the organ meat. Add some water so that the meat does not burn. Once the meat is cooked, add some more water and bring it to a boil. Once the water boils, add the rice. Adjust the water level as per the quantity of the rice. Stir in the ginger and the pepper together. And give it a good stir so that the ingredients mixes uniformly with the rice. Cook it over a low flame and allow the rice to cook. Voila, your jadaw is ready. You can serve your delicious jadaw with an amazing side of daw clare, daw gem, meatballs, turumbai. I am going to have it with chicken drumsticks.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this useful, and I hope you guys go make yourself a jadaw at home. And don't forget the most important ingredient, make it with lots and lots of love. If you like the video, please spread the love by sharing it, and don't forget to subscribe.